Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to add emojis in Notion for 2025. Emojis aren't just fun, they can make your notes more engaging, help with quick organization, and even boost your productivity. Whether you're a student jazzing up study notes or a professional sprucing up project plans, this quick guide will have you emoji pro in no time. First, ensure you're using the latest version of Notion on your device for the best experience. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Notion workspace and head to the page or block where you want to add an emoji. It's that simple. Click on the spot in your text or title. Step 2. To insert an emoji, just type a colon, smiley face, followed by the emoji's name. For example, type smile, and Notion will pop up suggestions. Select the one you want by hitting enter. This works great for common emojis like hearts or thumbs up. If you're on a device without built-in suggestions, don't worry. Step 3. Use your system's emoji picker. On Windows, press Windows key plus period, and on Mac, use Control plus Command plus space. Copy the emoji and paste it directly into Notion. Easy peasy. For more options, Step 4. In Notion, select your text block and check the formatting menu. Look for the emoji icon to browse and add from there. Pro tip: emojis can also be used as page icons or in databases to make your workspace visually pop. Experiment with different ones to find what suits your style. And that's it. Adding emojis is a quick way to level up your Notion game. If you run into any issues, double-check your app version or try on a different device. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. See you in the next video.